All right, problem 6. It says 2 times the cosine of x minus 1, that bit, times this bit of cosine of x plus 1 gives us 0. So it's a piece times this other piece gives us 0. So we know we're looking for when does the 2 times cosine of x minus 1 equal 0, or the cosine of x plus 1 equals 0. That's what we're looking for. So we solve each one of these. I add 1, gives me 2 cosine of x equaling 1 when I add 1 to both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. So you're looking for when is the cosine of x equal to a half. That'll create the answer being 0. The other option, when we do this, subtract 1 from both sides. The other time it's going to happen is when the cosine of x is negative 1. So that's what we're looking for, when the cosine of x is a half or negative 1. Well, let's just deal with this first. When is the cosine of x 1? Well, remember, this is always cosine of theta, then the sine of theta. So we're looking for this first value, the x value, to be a half. Well, this is root 3 over 2, a half. That's the sine value being a half. So we know it occurs right here at 60 degrees. That's a half root 3 over 2. So it occurs here, the cosine value is a half. Now remember, when else did we come over a half? You did it when you were right here. Okay? Remember, this is 270, so this is 300. This we came over a half, went down root 3 over 2. Again, don't care about the sine value. We're just looking for this cosine value to be a half. So for this guy, it's happening when we got 60 degrees or 300 degrees. Now we need to come and figure out, when does the cosine of x equal negative 1? When do we have this value being negative 1? Well, that's going to be, here's the origin, it's when we come over here. Here's the order pair, negative 1, 0. That's the only time the cosine of x is negative 1, is right here at this spot. So the other part is 180. So we have 60, 180, and 300 as our possible solutions to make this equation true.